Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HyperX Cloud 3 wireless keeps disconnecting and reconnecting in 2026. Now, in order to fix it, first of all, you need to unplug the USB dongle and you need to plug it into the different USB port. Prefer using a rear USB port directly on your PC and avoid any kind of USB hubs or extension cables. Now you need to keep the headset and the dongle closer together. Just move away from Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices and other wireless signals because these can also interfere with the 2.4 gigahertz connection. Now after doing this, simply right click on the start button on your PC, then select the option of device manager. When this type of window appears in front of you, you just have to simply look for the option of universal serial bus controllers. Now when you click on it, simply right click on the USB root hub, then select the option of properties and here look for the option of power management. Over here you need to simply uncheck the option of allow the computer to turn off this device to save the power, then select the option of OK. After doing this, you just have to simply turn off your headset and unplug the dongle, then plug it back in, then turn the headset on. Now wait for it to reconnect properly and see if it is working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.